Hello and welcome to Butler HQ, and today we are cleaning out BH 15021, which is our 540 manual touring, and these are the keys to the only right hand drive cashmere beige touring, and they've done 273,000 miles. So let's open the car and have a look. It's nice being back in at the Golden Nugget and having a look at the old bottle. Now, we always use the proper BMW coolant, but if you spotted something else in there, we use that for engine flushes, yeah, and painting the garden shed. And in the back we've got the rear parcel shelf out of the Boudica, which has been resting here. So there's one issue with the Nugget, and that is the windscreen. Now, the windscreen was done about 7 years ago, but it was not done very good. And as you can see, just by doing that, it's not sealed properly, which results in, when it does rain, yeah, it's been loosening a little bit of moisture, hence the flipping the green on the steering wheel, which isn't good. So you might think, why are we doing this now? Well, with everything in lockdown, yeah, and the Nugget needing welding, we're gonna bite the bullet, and we're gonna clear her out, put the front seats into the back, and we're gonna get her ready to start welding. And it's gonna be a mission, because to be truthful, yeah, we've both not done that much welding, and the Nugget does need a fair bit of welding. So in the coming weeks, you're going to see a warts and all view on how it's going. So yeah, wish us luck. And if you are a keen welder yourself and you can see what's going wrong, don't be afraid to comment, because you know, looks like we're just starting. So if you do think, God, that's wrong, drop us a comment, help us out.
And this is the tool you need to adjust your chain from down below when you take your sump off, and when you put all the bolts back in when we do come out on the M60 V40. This tool can help you to adjust the chain after. I'll leave a link in the description to that below. It's a really good tool.
So, being in the driver's seat again, yeah, I can see that she needs much work, but there's also much love for her, and I can't now wait to get started with the welding to get her flipping back on the road again. Remove the front seat. If you've never done that before, there's a link somewhere out over there. So the front seat am now out, and this is what we're up against. Well, some of it. And for those who have never checked your bulkhead drains, have a look in that corner there.
No, 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 no.
Thanks for watching. And until the next time, bye bye.